हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम इन माय यूट्यूब चैनल शिवम एजुकेशन। मैं गांगड़ी सर आपका स्वागत करता हूं। आज की क्लास में हम ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का द मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट चैप्टर नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं। नाइट्रोजन कंटेनिंग ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स में एमाइंस के बारे में हमें इस चैप्टर में पढ़ना है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट नाउ। फर्स्ट इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट दिस, which are the nitrogen containing organic compound or nitrogen containing functional group. Okay, then nitrogen containing functional group, then first word will come, what is mean by functional group. Functional group किसे कहते हैं? Then we can define in this way, the group of atom which impart characteristic property into organic molecule is known as a functional groups. So let's define this functional group. You are knowing very well. Functional group यानी the group of atom. This group of atom imparts characteristic property in organic compound. Such a group of atom is known as a functional group. Now there are different type of 5 nitrogen containing functional groups are there. First we can take this amines. Now when we take amines, if it is primary amine, then it is the formula NH2. For nomenclature of this amine compound, we are using suffix amines. Then after, another nitrogen containing functional group is nitro. Symbol of nitro is NO2. Then after, we can say it is another functional group amide. Amide, if CONH2 group is present into organic compound, then it is known as a amide. Then cyanide and isocyanide. If carbon joined with nitrogen through triple bond, then this functional group is known as a cyanide. And if nitrogen having a triple bond with carbon, nitrogen have positive charge, carbon have negative charge, then this functional group is known as a isocyanide. So there are nitrogen containing 5 different functional groups are there. Now, if we can define this different type of amine compounds, nitro compound, amide compound, cyanide compound and isocyanide compound. So we can define in this way, if this nitrogen of amine is attached with a carbon of hydrocarbon, then this compound obtained are known as a amine compound. If nitro group is attached with carbon of hydrocarbon, then this compound obtained is known as a nitro compound. Similarly, if amide linkage is present or amide group is present with alkyl chain, then this compound are known as a amide compound. Cyanide compound, if cyano or nitrile group is attached with a carbon of hydrocarbon, then this compound are known as a cyanide compound. And isocyanide group is attached with carbon of hydrocarbon, then this compound are known as a isocyanide compound. Now we have to study about the structure of amines. In this out of 5 functional group, we have to study about amine compound in this chapter. In today's lecture, in this part, we will study what is the structure of amine compound. So now, structure of amines. So it is observed that when we remove hydrogen from water, then whatever compound obtained is known as an alcohol. Whatever compound obtained, it is considered as an alcohol. Similarly, if hydrogen is replaced by aryl group, then whatever compound obtained, it is considered as a phenol compound. So when we remove hydrogen from water, by alkyl group we get alcohol. If replaced by aryl group, then whatever compound obtained is known as a phenolic compound, so phenol. Similarly, from ammonia molecule, ammonia means NH3. So similarly, from ammonia molecule, when hydrogen atom is replaced by, whatever hydrogen atom is there is replaced by alkyl group, then we are getting a alkyl amine. If it is replaced by alkyl group, then we get a alkyl amine. Similarly, if hydrogen is replaced by aryl group, then whatever amine obtained, it is known as a aryl amine. And same as if hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group attached with aryl, then it is known as alkyl aryl. So we can say that amines are of 3 types. we can give alkyl amine, aryl amine, or alkyl aryl amine. So now, when hydrogen from ammonia replaced by alkyl chain, then we get a alkyl amine. So it is observed that the structure of amine compound, the structure of amine compound is similar to ammonia. We can give these things that it is structure of this all amine compound. This structure is similar to amine compound. Now, nitrogen, when we take this nitrogen, the nitrogen atomic number you are knowing, atomic number of nitrogen is 7. So electronic configuration of nitrogen is 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. Now, to form amine compounds, generally it undergo hybridizations. So one orbital of s type and 3 orbital of p type take part in hybridization, and as a result we are getting a 4sp3 hybrid orbital. Now in this 4sp3 hybrid orbital 5 electrons are arranged. When this 5 electrons are arranged, one orbital having a 2 electron and all other orbital having a 1 electron. So in ammonia structures, nitrogen having a sp3 hybridizations. In this sp3 hybridizations, nitrogen having a 1 non-bonding electron pair, and this 3 sp3 hybrid orbital share their electron with this hydrogen atom. Hydrogen atom having a electronic configuration 1s1. So we get the structure of ammonia. Now in the structure of ammonia, you can observe that in structure of ammonia, nitrogen having a type of hybridization is sp3, and this all nitrogen hydrogen bond are which type of bond? Sigma bond, and bond angle due to this sp3 hybridization, bond angle is 109 degree and 28 minutes. So now in the structure of ammonia, nitrogen having a 1 non-bonding electron pair, and it has a 3 sigma bond with a hydrogen atom. Now similarly, in amine compound, if we have a primary amine, secondary amine or tertiary amines, whatever different type of amine, it may be R, R dash or R double dash. Now R dash or R double dash, it may be alkyl group, it may be aryl group, it may be hydrogen also. So it is observed that this nitrogen having a 3 sigma bond, this all having a nitrogen having a sigma bond. In all amine types of, in all amine, the type of hybridization for nitrogen is sp3 hybridization. Now it is observed that this non-bonding electron pair, nitrogen key, this nitrogen key non-bonding electron pair, it will feel repulsion with the bonding electron pair of a sigma bond. These all 3 are sigma bond. So due to this repulsion, the bond angle in amine structure decrease from, due to this repulsion it decrease from 109 degree 28 minute to 108 degree. So it is observed that in a structure of amine, the bond angle will be slight less as compared to the bond angle in a ammonia. So it is observed that in all different type of amine, suppose I will take a trimethylamine, then in a structure of trimethylamine, it is observed that this nitrogen having a non-bonding electron pair, this nitrogen carbon bond electron pair is bonding electron pair, and this bonding and non-bonding electron pair feel repulsion, and therefore bond angle will be slight less. Remaining thing as it is, bond type of hybridization will be sp3. So it is observed that in a structure of amine, nitrogen having a sp3 hybridization, but bond angle will be little less as compared to bond angle present in a ammonia. Now you can observe that the structure of this amine compound is just like a pyramidal shape. You can observe these things. It is one type of pyramid is created. So in a amine compound, the structure of all amine compound is pyramidal structure. So now in basic introduction part of this lecture, we have studied that first If what is meant by functional group, then the group of atom which impart characteristic property into organic compound is known as a functional group. There are 5 nitrogen containing functional group: amine, nitro, amide, cyanide and isocyanide. About this we have to study in this chapter. Now, how these compounds are obtained? Then we can say, just like alcohol, when hydrogen of water is replaced by alkyl group, then we get a alcohol, or replaced by aryl group, then we get a phenol. Similarly, from ammonia, when hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, then we get alkyl amine. If replaced by aryl group, then we get aryl amine, or another type of amine is alkyl aryl amine. Now, in ammonia, nitrogen having a non-bonding electron pair and electron configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2px1, 2py1 and 2pz1. So this orbital having a less difference in energy, so it undergo hybridization. So the type of hybridization will be sp3. In this sp3 hybridization, 5 electrons are present in 4 orbitals. This electron pair is non-bonding electron pair and this electron pair is bonding electron pair. This electron pair share their electron with the hydrogen atom, and as a result we get ammonia molecule. It is a pyramidal shape. Type of hybridization is sp3 and bond angle is 109 degree 28 minute. Now, amine is obtained from ammonia. So the structure of amine compound is similar to ammonia structures. This nitrogen having a non-bonding electron pair, it will repulsion with bonding electron pair of nitrogen carbon sigma bond. And due to this, according to valence shell electron pair repulsion theory, this bond angle decrease slightly. So it is observed that in trimethylamine or another secondary or primary amine, the bond angle will be near to 108 degree instead of 109 degree and 28 minute. Hello students, आपको मेरा लेक्चर कैसा लगा? Have you get all points? Then please like, share and subscribe. मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा. Thank you very much.